you want to take them out?
Which one? Blue? Yeah, little blue. Awesome. Awesome.
What do you say to Dom, Logan?
Thank you.
After you just yelled at him?
Awesome. Oh, candy. We all got candy. Awesome.
Very nice, Dom.
Thanks, Dom. Thank you. Here I go. Oh, that's pretty good. What is this thing? Yeah. What is this thing? It's an ice cream candy. Can you help me open this?
Yeah, you gotta give one to Logan, okay? Because she didn't get one. He picked you all the girl stuff.
I know I got two. I mean like that. Well, that was mine. Oh.
Yeah, you might want.
Huh? Logan, you get two balls. You get two balls. Wait, can we go? We get two balls. So many. Try to catch it.